Hey guys, in this video I will be unboxing this Asus portable monitor, specifically the MB16AH. So actually going into this unboxing, I'm expecting to be returning this monitor. I got it because it was like 50 bucks off because my sister was getting a laptop at Best Buy. But I thought it was going to be touchscreen, which it isn't, I believe. And I don't know if I want to be spending $200 on a portable monitor, especially since I use a MacBook Air which only supports one external monitor, and I also already have a normal monitor. But this was mostly for, like, I don't know if I said the outside. Anyways, it came with this box and this box. This box, I guess, has an adapter, a Type A maybe for charging, and nothing else. And going into the box, we have some styrofoam. Quite heavy styrofoam. Oh, because there's something inside, I believe. The actual display itself. I want to be careful with taking this out because I might have to pack this in again. Unless for some reason I fall in love with this and decide to keep it and think it's worth the 200 bucks. Yeah, so it does appear to be the non-touchscreen versions because I believe the touchscreens and screens, they have a hole for the stylus or something to that extent. I'll put this on the side and look at what else is given. So it does come with this cover stand that has a few different purposes, as you can see over here. I think we'll set it up and edit it into the video. And it also comes with a few cables, including this, I believe, mini HDMI to full-size HDMI, a Type-C to Type-C cable, always pretty useful to have, a Type-C to Type-A adapter, and this stand type thing, and some paperwork. So here is the monitor all set up. Quick note, the Type-C cable that's included, the Type-C to Type-C cable, is braided, so it should be relatively durable, I hope. So I've connected it to my MacBook Air, the M1 version from 2020. And as you can see, it shows up as a 15.4-inch display, which is surprisingly, not surprisingly, but like ironically larger than the actual laptop screen, considering it's a portable monitor. It is FHD. The bezels are relatively thin on the top and sides, but the bottom does have a noticeable bezel. The button layout is pretty simple. The right side is the power button, and the left side, I believe, is the menu button. Yes, so pretty simple. It is non-touch. Has some of the features listed here. If you're actually using it, obviously you would take the sticker off. It does support different rotations, so you can have it in portrait or landscape. If you're on Mac, I believe it doesn't automatically detect whether it's portrait or landscape, so you can just change it within the settings. For Windows, I think, yeah, it does have auto rotate, but I'm 90% sure that's only for Windows. So overall, it does seem like a decent monitor. I believe it also has built-in speakers. So all in all, not that bad, but it is a bit pricey at, I believe, north of $200 in most countries. All right, thanks a lot for watching.